Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to revise for economics. First, begin by thoroughly understanding your syllabus and identifying core topics. Next, focus on active recall and applying economic theories to real-world scenarios. Regularly practice essay writing and data response questions to hone your analytical skills. Finally, review your notes and common errors to solidify your knowledge before any assessment. Start by breaking your economics syllabus into smaller, manageable units. For each unit, create detailed mind maps that link different concepts, like supply and demand or market structures. Ensure you can define all key economic terms accurately and understand their implications. Practice drawing and explaining common graphs and diagrams, as these are crucial for illustrating economic theories effectively in your answers. The best way to improve is through consistent practice. Work through a wide range of past exam papers, paying close attention to the mark schemes. Practice writing full essays and data response questions under timed conditions to build speed and accuracy. Try applying economic models and theories to current events to deepen your understanding. Always seek feedback on your written work to identify areas for improvement. Regularly consolidate your notes into concise summaries or flashcards for quick review. Focus on revisiting topics where you consistently make mistakes or find challenging. During exams, manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate time to each question. Structure your answers clearly, presenting strong arguments supported by economic theory and relevant examples. A well-structured answer can significantly boost your grade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.